Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the plateaus. The plateau region extends from the south of the northern plains down to the Kanyakumari. This gives the plateau region a triangular shape. The plateau region covers the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. A plateau is a large raised area of flat land. It is also called a tableland because it is raised and flat like a table. The plateau region is surrounded by hills. To the north lie Aravalli, the Vindhya and the Satpura ranges. To the northeast lie the Rajmahal hills. To the west and east of the plateau lie the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Narmada Valley divides the plateau region into two. The plateau lying to the north of the Narmada is known as Malwa Plateau. To the east lies the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau has fine black soil which is good for growing cotton and oilseeds. The mineral rich in Chota Nagpur Plateau has heavy deposit of coal, iron, mica and other minerals. The Deccan Plateau stands to the south of the Narmada and across the Satpura mountains. This plateau has rich black soil, ideal for growing cotton. The Deccan Plateau is the largest of the southern plateaus. It slopes from west to east. The rivers that rise in the west flow eastwards into the Bay of Bengal. The Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri all flow into the Bay of Bengal. Only two rivers, the Narmada and Tapi, flow into the Arabian Sea. The rivers that rise from the west carry a great deal of sediment with them and thereby building up deltas at the mouth. These areas are very fertile and because a lot of rice is cultivated here. So this region is called the rice bowl of India. The Godavari rises at Trimpak in Maharashtra. The Kaveri, the main river of Karnataka, is also known as Dakshin Ganga. It has its sources in Gurg. This river has been dammed near Mysore city to form the Krishnaraj Sagar Lake. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the Krishna River supplies water and power to the neighboring areas. A famous waterfall of the Deccan Plateau is the Jog Fall in Karnataka. The Deccan Plateau is rich in minerals such as iron, coal, mica, manganese and gold. Almost all of India's gold supply comes from the gold mines in Kolar in Karnataka. Important cities such as Bhopal, Pune, Nasik, Bangalore and Hyderabad are situated on the Deccan Plateau. The tallest statue in India carved out of single rock is the statue of Gomateshwara, a Jain saint at Shravanabegola, which is 160 km from Bangalore. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Rice, jowar, ragi, maize, cotton, sugarcane and groundnuts are grown here. New word and its meaning. Waterfall, a steep descent of water from a height. In text questions, Why is plateau also called tableland? Plateau is also called a tableland because it is raised and flat like a table. Name the ranges that lie north to the plateau region. Aravalli, Vindhya and Satpura ranges. Name the valley divides the plateau region into two. Narmada Valley. Which hills surround the plateau region? Aravalli, Vindhya and Satpura ranges to the north, and the northeast lie the Rajmahal Hills. To the west and east of the plateau lie the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Name two minerals that are found in Deccan Plateau. Coal, iron and mica. Name two rivers that flow into the Arabian Sea. Narmada and Tapi. Activity from this lesson. Almost all the major rivers in India are being polluted by human activities. Suggest ways by which pollution of rivers may be reduced. What would happen if our rivers dry up completely? How can you use water sparingly? You can find out your own answers. Read the lesson very well and find out the answers for in-text question. So study well, read the lesson very well. Thank you. See you next class.